right, guys, given these two minerals, which one of those two minerals is quartz? How do you know?
The irregular shape.
The irregular shape. Really good. Really good answer. However, if I take this and I break it apart, or if I get a piece that is not a perfect crystal shape, you're going to have one that looks similar to that. So even though you know that that's a physical property, that is not its smoking gun physical property. So I would recommend, if your life depends on it, I would recommend you test it further.
Okay.
So if I'm asking you which one is quartz, how are you going to test it?
Glass chip.
All right, let's try it.
Test.
Does it scratch glass? Ugh.
No.
Yeah, try again.
Oh wait, yeah.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah. Scratches glass. Good. Okay, so we know that's harder than glass. What's one thing we can do to really verify that it's quartz? Because if it is quartz, what's it's not going to do?
It's not going to be effervescent, right?
So there you go. So let's try and put a little acid on there. Does it effervesce?
No.
No. Great. So we now have confirmed that that's quartz. Just for fun, let's put a little acid on this. Does it effervesce?
Yes.
Yes, it does, which means that this mineral is what?
Calcite.
Calcite is the right answer. Calcite is the primary ingredient in cement.
Oh yeah, we talked.
Okay? The reason its smoking gun property is that it effervesces is that calcite easily dissolves. Because calcite easily dissolves, we're now able to take rocks and dissolve them and move them around. Before we had concrete, people had to cut stone, like the pyramids, and move rocks that way. Now that we have a mineral that dissolves, we can make it into a paste, crush it up into sand, put it in bags, move it to where we need to move it to, and then reconstruct it as a solid rock, as concrete when we build something. So its smoking gun property, the fact that it dissolves easily, is also what makes it useful in industry as concrete.